Lucky I don't get seasick. Oh, bit of a rough seas at the moment. Rough weather makes a good fishing, I reckon. Hopefully, touch wood. Not working at the moment. Oh, stroof. Lucky. Something's going on here. One of those days, perhaps. Sometimes that's fishing. A right pain. It's alright, I almost lost my rod, to be honest, so that's good. Playing with fire a bit here. Might end up in New Zealand or Papua New Guinea if I get a big marlin. Birds are working over here. Oh, it's very windy all of a sudden. Let's see how we go. Too windy. Holy moly. I was against wind and current, so it's pretty tough going. Probably not even that safe if I kept going, so we'll hang about here. First fish of the day after a few hours. I don't know, maybe a wrasse. Pretty. Oh, yeah, it is. Is a little wrasse. Beautiful. See you, bub. Really small, I think. Oh, a little trout though. That's cool. Little coral trout. Beautiful colours. Need the big brother. See you, bub. It's a good sign, eh? I would turn the other camera off, but I've got to keep this critter out of the reef. Which I don't think I have. Oh no! Reef me. Ah! Little trouty, too small. A bit bigger than the last one though. Beautiful fish. See, bub? Oh, come on. Bit me off. Feels good. Ah, just another little trouty. Blimey. Trout City, baby Trout City. See, bub. Little critter. A rock cod. One rock cod. See, bub. Hey, Ollie's cousin Curtis. G'day, buddy. To grind, to last, ever forward we cast.
Through storms and wind, crashing waves and rain, a vessel and sail isn't idle, there's only something to gain. Ever testing of will, soul and body, leaving marks and wear. Without these there's nothing, just a wandering shell cast to the sand. As darkness sets the journey to end, to hold on through it all is to learn and grasp, to leave with nothing else to do, with hands full of empty, there will be nothing to rue.
Well, do I eat this critter? Oh, let's double check. Times are desperate. I might have to. Oh, it's such a beautiful fish. I have eaten them before. They're a bit mushy. They're not my favourite thing to eat. It could be cursing me. Am I cursing me? I think I'll let it go. Cracking fish. See you, buddy. Oh, right species, not the right size. Getting late now. See you, bud. Oh, Tusky legal. Come on, I'm gonna hit that wall. I think I'm going to. Oh, sorry, yak. Probably hearing my voice, I'm pretty knackered actually. Big day, especially when you don't catch anything decent. Not sure what this is. Oh, I had a feeling that might happen. Mackerel, I'd say. Gee whiz, it took some line. I had to slow it up, otherwise it would have just spooled me. So such is life, eh? Gee whiz, it took some line. I don't know what it was, something big. Ah, little rock cod. Oh, right, mate. Sit up. Oh, smallest trouty of the day. See, bub. Oh, what is this critter? Oh, another little trout. Oh, see you, bub. Bit going on here. As Ricky Ponting would say. What is this? Might be a trevally. Had a good fight at the start. Be kind of happy with anything, to be honest. I think it might be a trout. By the feel of that. Oh no. Oh, perfect. It's a grassy sweet lip. Come on, it's been a big day. Get it in the bag. There you go, cub. Oh, good size one too. Definitely legal. What a ripper day. To be honest, I wasn't very hopeful. I'll put this guy out of its misery and yeah, we'll see what else is around, eh? There he is. Beautiful. Sacrifice thanks to the Emperor. That sounded very medieval, didn't it? I meant the grassy Emperor, or grassy sweetlip. Ew, thanks buddy. Oh, I was so keen to get a fish, so I didn't even say welcome back to the yak. So welcome. That was a big day. Thanks for watching. I'll do a cook up in a minute, I reckon. That's probably what you see next. Thanks for joining me. Ripper day, thanks for the spot. So good. Oh, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed yourself. And yeah, see you when I cook this one up. Yoo-hoo. So good. Juice. Oh, yum. Ooh, a little bit spicy. Sweet. Beautiful. See you next time. Ooh.